Hello everyone, today we are going to make meat sausages. Now let me introduce the ingredients to be used. There are 5 kgs of pork fillet meat, green onion and ginger, chicken powder, oil sauce, light soy sauce, black pepper powder, salt, and cornstarch. Now we take out the meat and split it in the fire and lay it into small pieces. Then place it in 2 bowls. Usually, everyone likes to buy sausages outside, but they will worry about something unhealthy in it. If you make it yourself, you won't have such worries, and you will think it's easy to make after watching our video. We have got 2 kinds of meat, 7 points of lean meat and 3 points of fat. Next step, take out the meat grinder, put the lean meat into machine and grind it with a small aperture blade. After that, repeat the previous step, place the fat in machine and using a large aperture blade to grind it. The purpose of this is to make the meat sausage taste better. Now we got 2 kinds of minced meat. Then we should take out the stand mixer and put all the minced meat into the machine. We can add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, two of oil sauce, two of chicken powder, two of salt, some black pepper powder, three of cornstarch, half a bowl of onion and ginger water. Next, take out the flat meter and install. Close the gate and raise the mixing bowl. Now we get sausage minced meat. Then put all the mince into a manual sausage stuffer. Turn the handle to lower the platen, so that to eliminate the air inside the cylinder. Take out the clean pig casing, tie a knot at the end, and put it on the discharge port. Turn the handle to pull out the mincemeat. Segmenting meat sausages with cotton thread. Then wait for it to air dry or blow dry with a hair dryer for 30 minutes. This is the effect after 30 minutes of air drying. Okay, let's cook the sausages. Put the sausage into the pot under cold water and cook slowly for 30 minutes on low heat. After cooking, take it out, let it cool, and cut the sausage into small pieces. Fry the sausage in an oil pan and it's done. The sausage has been made. Adults and children like it, and it is clean and hygienic.